The incompetence of your accountant can be highlighted by the tools they use, and you need to protect your business against it. Ano hugot nito? I asked one accountant to give me their trial balance para dun sa project na ginagawa namin. Nung sinend niya sa akin yung Excel file, binalik ko kagad. Kasi ang daming problema. Una, yung trial balance, hindi balanse. Pangalawa, profit yung lumilitaw sa income statement, pero loss yung nakarecord sa equity. And then pangatlo, yung bank account nila, negative 20 million pesos yung balance. Hindi naman daw yun loan, so sabi ko, pwede ba yun? And all of these mistakes were left untraced until they decided to use a proper accounting system. Excel can be a great tool for accounting if and only if ang accountant na gumagamit marunong talaga sa accounting. Pero honestly, these days, ang dami mong may encounter na accountant na sobrang incompetent. And you cannot afford having that sa business mo. Pero once you start using accounting automation tools like Xero, One Accounting, or Zoho Books, hindi na pwede yung ganyan. Yung bank balance, kailangan tugma sa bank statement. Yung bawat transaction, dapat may attachment na supporting document. And then yung trial balance, there's no way na hindi magbalanse. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.